Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to redeem codes in Dragon City. So first thing you have to do is launch the game on your device. So since Dragon City doesn't have an in-game option to redeem codes directly, so you'll need to go to the official Dragon City Code Redemption website. You can find this on the official Dragon City website or through special links posted on their social media channels. Use the same account you use for the game, whether it's through Facebook, Google, or Game Center. Type or paste the code that you want to redeem in the provided box, and then after entering the code, confirm it. And you should receive a message saying that the code was successfully redeemed. Go back to the game and your rewards will usually appear in your inventory or storage. The rewards can be anything from gems, golds, food, to exclusive dragons. So you might be asking where to find Dragon City codes. So you can find it in social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So Dragon City often posts codes on their official. So make sure to follow their Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. Codes are often released during special events like holidays or milestones. So make sure to keep updated. And also, influencers also give codes because Dragon City collaborates with gaming influencers who may share exclusive codes with their followers. So remember that codes can expire, so use them as soon as you find them. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!